Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Rise and shine, Marsha. I was about to say Marsha Bunnies. Marsha Honeys. Today is a new day. I am putting up some more of my Christmas decor. So you can see behind me, I stuffed my pillows. I should have recorded that. Y'all probably can hear the lawnmower in the background because my husband is cutting the grass. Let's get a little snippet of that. A man working hard. No, we're not doing it because he look like a bum. But I'm thankful that he's out there cutting the grass. I had to pull up some of my Christmas decor so he could cut the grass, and I'll record me putting that stuff back down. I got my pillows here. Let me show y'all that. So I took like the normal pillows that's on my sofa and put them inside these little pillow covers. So these are pillow covers. It has a little zipper on them, and they come from Amazon. All right, and I put this little blanket on the back just to make it more festive. Yeah, and I'm still in the process of doing it. So as you can see, here's one I didn't finish. So we have this pillow that I took outside of that, and I'm gonna put it inside of that one. I think it's pretty boring to see me do that, but yeah, that's what we're doing. And I don't have much planned for today, so the little that I do, it might be a little short little vlog today. This is my little living room area with my big candy canes that light up at night and my water fountain. Water fountains are good for like good spiritual flow and energy and what is it called? Feng shui? No, not feng shui. What's it called? Yeah, feng shui. Right? Yeah, why would it be any other word? All right, so I'm gonna finish doing this and I'm gonna show y'all little parts as I continue to decorate. So I'm back the next day. I look a little rough shopping for a Christmas tree, and it's not giving what's supposed to be gave. They're all really small. Let me show y'all how small they are. Like, that's really short, but look at the prices. Trees like this would normally cost you about $60. Like, look how small this little tree. This is the second place I've been to. These trees are so small and so expensive. This tree is 180. Look at the height. This is disappointing. But there is a cute little red one over here that I saw. I think I might go with a red one though, but not from here. It's not looking too good here. These trees are small. I don't like this. Look like hot Cheetos. I don't like that one. This one is cute. Got this over here. Is this. It's so slim and small. Look how small it is. All right, we're going to the next place. Hello out there. It is a new day. This vlog is going to be kind of pieced together with different days because I didn't have a lot to film when I'm working throughout the week. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm about to cook some type of soup, homemade soup. I guess you can, I don't want to call it an experiment. I think it's going to be good. So I don't want to call it an experiment because I think it's going to be good. So I'm going to cook soup. Now I'm here in my tiny little kitchen. Normally I don't like to film too much here, or I try to be too perfect, but we're not doing that. So I already washed the dishes. They're sitting here because I don't really have like a dishwasher or like a designated space to like put the dishes, so they dry off on a little towel. And I realize, y'all, people want to see that type of stuff. Like, they want to see you actually put your dishes away and some weird stuff, and you know, so we just gonna be real here. Like, this is what my kitchen really looks like. This is what I'm working with. I love it. I'm thankful for it. It's mine. If you like it, like it. If you don't, oh well. Don't leave though. All right, so I'm gonna start with putting those dishes away, and then we're gonna just record me making my homemade soup for the first time. Here you have the dishes all cleaned up, ready to get put away. And now you see it in There's my kitchen, all cleaned up. Oh, this is part of my Christmas decor. Instead of doing bowls, I gotta be different. I don't want to do the bowls. Everybody doing the bowls. I did the bowls years ago with like poinsettias and this and that. So I'm gonna go with these little things that I got from the Dollar Tree. They're so cute. Yeah. So now we're gonna work on our soup. So first, I'm gonna do rice. I was gonna do noodles, but I love when you get like the little Campbell's chicken and rice in the can. So I think we're gonna go for something similar to that. Of course, mine is gonna be better than something out of the can. Yeah, so let's start with our rice. So I am using Zatarain's rice, and I'm gonna put it in my rice cooker. All right, that's enough rice. Okay, I'm gonna start by chopping up an onion. I love vegetables, so I want a lot of like thick pieces of veggies in my soup. Now I'm not like Northwest. I'm not eating the onion raw, but I do like big chunks of onion. You know what? I never tried a raw onion. And I'm purposely chopping it like real big chunks like this, y'all, because I want to actually taste the onion in my soup. Now I'm going to chop up some baby carrots. And now, another favorite vegetable of mine when it's cooked. Cooked or not cooked, celery. I love people who put big chunks of celery in gumbo. If you don't put celery in your gumbo, it's not my favorite. Let me tell you now. 'Cause I like celery in my gumbo. So I'm going to put it in my soup. And there you have it. Our chopped veggies are ready. I have myself some chicken broth. I think I got this from, I don't know, Whole Food, Members Mark. I think that's Whole Food. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. All right, now we're going to get started over here. So I think the way I want to do this is I want to put my chicken broth in first. That's just a little water with an onion boiling in it. I just wanted to get that flavor out of that onion because I don't want to overcook the veggies. But I still want that flavor in there. All right, so let's put some chicken broth. Well, we can use all of this. There we go. So now we're gonna let that chicken broth start to boil, and I guess I'll add seasonings as I go. I don't know, should I put the veggies in first? Yes, because we want to get that flavor out the vegetables. All right, so I'm gonna add some seasoning. I'm gonna start by adding some salt. Some accent. A little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of more garlic seasoning. Then I want to add some lemon pepper to give it that zestiness that I like. Lots of lemon pepper. I like lemon pepper in my soup. Okay, now we're going to add the veggies. I forgot to show y'all I added the chicken to the soup. Just cut up 3 pieces of chicken breast. Let that cook. Commercial break. Get y'all some of that Simply Lemonade. Put you a pack of Kool-Aid in it. We put the orange today. Sometimes we do the blue. Yeah, get you one of them. So good, y'all. So freaking good. Y'all, my soup is done. I think it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth about how it tastes. I'm gonna make it look real cute. Looks like pho, whatever you call it. Alright, my face is so greasy. So I'm about to tell y'all what the soup tastes like for real. I'm gonna tell you if it's nasty. If it's nasty, I'm gonna say it's nasty. Alright, so I'm about to let y'all know how the soup tastes because I was a little too close to the camera. It's really, really hot. It's good though. It got flavor though. It's really good. I liked it. So that's the end of this vlog, y'all. I'm gonna get some better footage as the days go along. But I work throughout the week, so it's not like I can go do stuff. And I live too far. Bye, honey.